Okay, we're going to start with level 2 here with inscribed angles. During this level, level 2, you're going to be looking at several different types of angles dealing with the circle and their relationships. So we go through each one individually, and then at the end we will mix them all up. So the first one is an inscribed angle. If you remember with the vocabulary, we talked about the word inscribed meaning inside. So an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle and the angle is inside the circle. So an inscribed angle has its vertex on the circle. The sides of that angle are going to be chords within that circle. Okay? When we find the measurement of this angle, one of the things that is important is what we call the intercepted arc. In fact, it's important for all the different types. So intercepted arc is going to be this one here. If I take the sides out of each side of that angle, whatever is in between there is my intercepted arc. To find the measure of it, I'm going to take 1/2 the arc. The intercepted arc is when, okay, so to find the measure of the angle, so the angle is going to equal half the arc, or arc divided by 2. You'll have 3 different looks to this, okay, one where this is a central angle here. Okay, this is the inscribed or intercepted arc. Okay, this is an inscribed angle where the vertex is. This is the intercepted arc. And this is the inscribed angle, and this would be the intercepted arc. Okay, so let's give this a try here. So if I'm looking at a picture like this, I've got an angle here at X. This is where the vertex is, so I know it's a central angle. If I follow the sides out of that central angle, that intercepts this arc right here. And we know the angle is half the arc. So 102 divided by 2 gives me 51 degrees. How do I know if I'm going to multiply by 2 or divide by 2? I'm going to go in from the outside. I'm moving in, so I got to make smaller. I'm going to divide. Here's just the opposite. Here's my angle. Here's my arc. If I know the angle is 23, as I move out, it's going to get bigger. So I can take 23 times 2 to get 46 degrees for this arc right here. This one has two problems, 2 missing pieces to find. So this arc right here is 42. That goes with angle Y. So if I know the arc and I want to know the angle, I'm going to divide by 2 because I'm going in. So 42 divided by 2. So Y would equal 21 degrees. And X out here goes from here all the way across here. It is looking at this angle right here. X is the intercepted arc for this right angle. So if that's 90 and I'm coming out to the arc, I got to multiply. I got to get bigger as I'm moving out 180 degrees. So take a look at 2 more examples. You can see here we've got find BC. Get that a little bit bigger there. So there's lots of different ways. One thing I want to make sure that you understand on both of these is this line right here that goes through the center. You've got to find that because that is automatic, a 180 constant number that you can always look at. Okay, so this is an inscribed. Here's my center point or my vertex. As I follow the sides out, it intercepted arc is right here, AB. So if I come out, that's going to get bigger, so I got to take 30 times 2 or 60. They want me to find arc BC. Well, I know from A all the way over here to C is 180 degrees. So BC is going to be 180 minus the 60 I already know. That angle is going to be 120 degrees. Find angle C here. Again, kind of recognize this. All right. This all the way around this half is 180. This much takes up 70, so A to B is 110. Angle C that I'm trying to find right here, if I kind of follow the sides out, the arc that goes with this angle is 110. So 110 divided by 2, because I'm going in, it's going to get smaller, is 55 degrees. Okay, we're going to stop there and then we'll do a part 2.